Hi guys, we received this Neberon Pro Series heated gloves liners for event purposes, and well, let me take them out of the box first and see how they are. Okay, we have the user manual, the battery, some really nice stickers, and here we have the charger and everything. Okay, so here we have the gloves in the bag, so let's open it, take them out. They use breathable materials. They have this slip resistant pattern in the hands, and you can wear these gloves alone or layer them with some more gloves to have more warmth. They have the batteries are from lithium, which is really nice. It means that they are rechargeable, and they have 3 heating levels. Okay, so let's take them out of here. So I'm gonna put the battery in here. Okay, it has this protective cap. You take it off, we place the battery, and it turns on. Okay, we'll already turn them on. This is the different levels of heat. You can see it here in the manual how much is each level. Okay, the red LED means that it's on high, if it's blue it's medium, and when they're on green it means that it's on low. Okay, so you can see they fit perfectly. It's really nice. They feel great. They don't feel like they are bothering or anything at all. It's a really nice design with black and white, which I quite like. And it has these 2 parts which have you can use your devices like your cell phone, your tablet with the gloves on and no needing to take them on. So let me show you that you can actually use your cell phone. Okay, so as you can see, we can use it like this, still being able to use it. Okay, with these 2 fingers, the thumb and the index, on both hands, which is really nice. And they're quite nice. So they're really nice, very comfortable, and heat up fast. They work perfectly. I will recommend this.